Morning everybody, this is Oxley & Sons' latest creation. It's a wood stove rocket burner with a copper tank on the top with the ability to heat water if necessary. There's a coil inside though, those two pipes there. This is an old inert gas cylinder. They've cut the top off, cut the opening out of it. A little door for it, and then this is where we fuel it up, little sticks, and that's for my preheated air. I'm going to show you firing it up now, and what I'll do is do this short video of firing it up, and then I'll do another one an hour or so later. As you can see, the temperature on the tank and the chimney or flue, if you want to call it, are at 0, and I've got a temperature gauge over here that is saying, what's that, 12, 14 degrees ish, yeah, something like that. And I'll fire it up now, and then we'll give it an hour or so and then come back and see what temperature we're at. All I've done here is just put 2 pieces of scrunched up newspaper in there. What I've done is, when I put the sticks in, the ones at the front are thinner than the ones at the back, so they catch light first. Yeah, it'll start to rocket in a minute. Just starting now, go on baby. There we go. That's it. Here it's starting to roll now. Show you a quick look from the top. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Call back later on, show you in an hour or so's time what it was, what sort of heat we're up to. Catch you later, bye.